You have definitely seen these types of 3D animated shorts in your feed. No matter the trends, these shorts easily get millions of views because they are created by professional editors in industry-level editing software like After Effects and Blender. But what if I tell you that you can also create such shorts without mastering any complex editing software using AI? And that too, completely free of cost. Yes, it is entirely possible, but for that you need the correct workflow, and that is exactly what I am breaking down today. This channel, Zack D Films, has reached 25 million subscribers by making these 3D animated story videos. His niche is creating fast-paced 3D explainer videos that show shocking realistic what actually happens scenarios in a simple visual, step-by-step storytelling style. And the reason these videos work every single time is because they make complex things look incredibly simple and satisfying to watch. You might have already seen a few tutorials covering this niche, but I promise you this one is going to be different, most professional and in-depth breakdown you will ever find. And to make things even easier, I have already prepared a complete set of professional prompts for you that will handle the entire workflow. Later in this video, I will show you exactly how to get them for free. Let's get into it. Now we will start with getting video ideas that can actually make people stop scrolling, because if you can make them stop scrolling, you have already won half of the battle. But before we actually begin video creation, we need to train our chatbot, and the chatbot I suggest is definitely Claude because of its advanced writing skills. To train Claude, simply copy the first prompt from the document and provide it to Claude and hit generate. This prompt is all about telling Claude our niche and the entire video creation process so that we can automate the entire process like a pro. Claude is now ready. After that, copy and paste the next prompt from the document. This prompt is for getting video ideas. Inside this prompt, you will see an empty space where you need to enter the number of topics you want. I will go with 20. Now, Claude is going to write you topics in 4 different categories. And on top of that, in front of every topic, you will see a rating out of 10, which is a prediction of virality for that specific topic. This will help you understand which topic has the most viral potential. The reason for having topics in 4 different categories is because creating content in different formats can keep viewers active and engaged, literally bypassing that point where viewers get bored of your content and your views eventually drop. But by targeting 4 different categories in the same niche, you are covering every possible format that can keep viewers engaged. Once you have the topic, simply utilize the next prompt from the document. Inside of this prompt, you need to enter the topic you finalized, and Claude is going to write you a professional script in the form of sentences. This is actually a full story script, but broken into sentences. And the reason is very simple. These sentences are actually your scenes as well. By breaking down the script into sentences, it will be very easy for Claude to write perfect image prompts for each scene, and you won't have to figure out the scenes by yourself. Once we have the script, let's generate our voiceover first, and then we will head to the main part of the video, which is visual creation. For voiceover, I will use Dab. Just create an account using your Gmail. Once you are inside, you will see a bunch of other features which actually makes this tool stand out. Right here, you will see a voiceover generator. Simply click on it, and then from more voiceovers at the right bottom, you can access the entire library of all available voices. The most interesting part is that voiceovers are pre-arranged with categories, so according to your niche, you can head straight to a specific category and find a suitable voice of your choice. On top of that, you will see options to select language as well as age and gender of your voiceover character. And most importantly, you have an option to select the quality of voiceover. If you want a super realistic voice, simply select quality as ultra, and then take your time in selecting a good voiceover character. Once done, simply copy and paste your entire script into Dab, and then from this play icon, you can preview your voiceover before exporting it.
The prison door slams shut and silence hits differently. Most people think inmates just sit and do their time. But within days, the brain begins rewiring itself completely.
In final click on export, select the format as MP3 and then hit export once again and your voiceover will be downloaded. Okay guys, as we have the voiceover ready, it's time to write image prompts. If you take a closer look at the image style of Zack D Films, you will notice that they use a video game style which many modern games use, which is also called Unreal Engine image style. So to achieve that level of quality, we will use the next prompt from the document, which is exactly for this purpose. Once you provide this prompt to Claude, you will see empty placeholders. Inside them, you need to copy and paste your entire script and hit enter. This is exactly what I was talking about. As we have our script in the form of scenes, Claude is now going to write an image prompt for each scene. This will also help us during editing because we won't have to waste time matching scenes since we already know which scene is for which particular sentence. Now, as we have image prompts, we also need animation prompts for these exact images. This part is very important, so pay close attention. No chatbot knows the correct way to command AI video generators, which leads to poor results every single time and can waste credits and time as well. But I have a super easy fix for that. In the document head to the very last prompt, it will be named as Video Animation Mastery Prompt. Copy it and provide it to Claude, and at the end of the prompt, write a small text where you ask Claude if it understands the video prompting rules and hit generate. This prompt teaches Claude everything it needs to learn about writing correct video prompts. Once done, head back to the document and copy prompt 5 and paste it inside of Claude. In the empty placeholders, copy and paste all of the image prompts that Claude generated earlier and hit generate. This way, the animation prompts you will get will be the best possible prompts you can ever get with AI. Now, before creating visuals, let me show you how to get this prompt document. Simply visit my Discord server from the link in the description of this video and head to the prompts channel, and right here you will have the Google document, which you can easily download and use for free. If you found my efforts valuable, please make sure to like and subscribe. Since we have image as well as animation prompts, let's move towards visual creation. And there's a secret I need to expose, so pay close attention. For image creation, always use Flow. Make sure to select model as Nano Banana Pro and number of outputs as 2, and keep the image format as 9:16. Then paste your first image prompt in here and hit generate, and in a few seconds your image will be ready. Take a look at the image quality yourself. It already looks quite impressive. Following the same method, utilize all of the image prompts and create your images. I have created all of the images, and as you can see, all of them look mind-blowing. Now let's animate them. Copy the first animation prompt and paste it in Flow. Make sure to change image creation into video creation and number of outputs as 1. Make sure to select ingredients, and in final, select your first image from this plus icon and then hit generate, and your video creation will start. Now let me expose a reality. Most gurus show you that they are using VEO3 to animate such critical scenes, but behind the camera they actually use other top models like Kling 3.0, Hailu, and Seedance to animate such scenes, because honestly VEO3 is not powerful enough to make perfect animations, and you really need a mix of different AI models to create your videos, which can be very expensive if you have to purchase separate subscriptions for all video generators. So lately I have found an AI tool named Video Inu, which provides all top models at a single place at the price of 1. This is not a sponsored shout out. I am just telling you the reality and providing you a solution as well. If you can't afford it, then keep using VEO3. But if you are serious and want absolute best quality animation, I strongly suggest you move to a paid solution like Video Inu that provides all models at a single place. Rest is up to you. Once you have all the material ready, simply import everything inside of CapCut. First, place the voiceover on the timeline and remove only the big silent areas from the voiceover so that our video is fast-paced enough to hook the viewers. Once done, simply select the full voiceover, right-click on it, and then click on Create Compound Clip. After that, while selecting the voiceover, simply click on Enhance Voiceover and turn the power to 100. This will significantly improve the quality of your voiceover, making it even more crisp and clear. After that, simply place all your clips on the timeline accurately and adjust their length. Because we generated our script in the form of sentences, we can now very easily arrange our clips. Once all the clips are properly arranged, head to animation, select the first clip and give it a fade in animation at the start. This will give a cinematic touch to the video. Then select the last clip and choose the TV off animation, which will give this smooth TV switch off effect when the video is about to end. Now you can also add captions to your video as well. According to studies, it has been proved that videos with captions tend to get 40% more retention than videos without captions. And inside CapCut's template section, you will find all the fast-paced animations, which will make your captions look even more engaging and professional. In final, you need to select a background music for your video, which you can easily download from copyright-free music channels on YouTube, or just use AI tools like Suno or Music GPT to create personalized music just for your niche. Make sure to reduce the volume of the music so it doesn't overwhelm the voiceover, and our video is ready. Let's watch.
The prison door slams shut and silence hits differently. Most people think inmates just sit and do their time. But within days, the brain begins rewiring itself completely. Constant surveillance trains the mind to never fully relax. The brain starts shrinking its emotional range to survive. Human connection disappears, and deep loneliness rewires social instincts permanently. Months in, making simple decisions becomes genuinely overwhelming and terrifying. The outside world starts feeling foreign, unsafe, and impossibly fast. Release comes, but the rewired brain cannot simply switch back. Prison doesn't just take years, it takes the person.
Guys, that might literally be the best method of creating 3D animated videos, like Zack D Films. Now you have the complete blueprint and prompts as well. It is up to you to take action. But honestly, if you want to beat everyone in this niche, you need to master AI video generation, and I literally made an entire video on that, which will be popping on the screen. Make sure to watch it.